The school's boys volleyball club was founded many years ago and has often been with crows due to the school's name. Its banner is Factory the Fly, which alludes to crows.
It was said that Coach Yukai had a facial pack of crows during Karasuna's glory days. As a former powerhouse of Niugai, Karasuna has represented the prefecture at the Spring High Nationals 9 times.
One of those occasions was under the guidance of Kwash K and Tenma Uday, also now as the small giants, little giants in the anime.
After the initial circus, Karasuno failed to pass its prefecture's preliminaries in future, saw names and therefore received the derogatory nicknames the Fallen Champions and the Fightless Crows.
It wasn't until 5 years later did the team finally return to nationals.